Tamajin Sean, you're Crocan Alpha, Egago, your son, Akiliga. La Galanta, a town, a Kahimaj, a Gularai, Egagoj, Ernest Rajana, her son, Akiliga, Niwurmaj, Akiliga, and Snakanchina, Happer Nakanchina, August Kahimaj Gul Araish, Ernest Rajana. We're here today outside the Assembly buildings at Stormont, protesting for an Irish Language Act. The talks have stalled at this point. No Irish Language Act has been delivered, and it's important now that people come out onto the streets and protest for an Irish Language Act, for equal rights for those who want to live their lives through the Irish language.
Well, fi spirit, agus tigri sientach and shaw, Ignatini Olga, Tamwian shaw, Crocanampa, Agelu, Carta Gilliga, Sean Tam, Tashi Trahul, Tashi Haram, Mel Carta Donasaha, China, Agdinia was. The Macalan, Sean, if you said a Scarchi, Akiliga, and I should talk this Crocanampa, Akan Macalish and Foster Chak, as Napolitori and Shaw, Tashi Haram, Gumel, Akiliga on. The spirit, the enthusiasm of the young people here today is absolutely inspiring. They're demanding an Irish Language Act now, and there's an echo here not only from Stormont behind us, but from the political parties, from the majority within the Assembly now, to demand of the Irish and British governments that they introduced and they make sure it happens, that we have an Irish Language Act now, with basic language rights 2017 in the north of Ireland for this wonderful Irish language community.
It's past time for an Irish Language Act. The rights and protections for the Irish language community need to be protected in legislation. Gerry Adams said last week, if you want an Irish Language Act, get out and campaign for it. That's why it's great to see so many people here today, and they'll attend every other rally that comes out over the course of the next weeks and months. We need to see an Act na Gaeilge, and we need to see it now.